If you've been watching pool test strip reviews trying to figure out what to buy for your swim spa or hot tub, you've probably noticed that most of them are made by people with large pools who test a few times during swim season and that's it. Whether I'm using the swim spa for exercise or a workout, or my mom is her water aqua therapy, or I've got my grandsons over to swim, it's important to me to make sure that the chemical balance in my swim spa is exactly right so that everyone stays safe. A swim spa is not a large backyard pool. It's a smaller, concentrated body of water that gets used year-round and needs more consistent testing because the chemical balance in a smaller volume shifts faster and more dramatically than it does in thousands of gallons of pool water. What works as a testing routine for a pool is not necessarily what works for a swim spa, and that gap in the reviews is exactly why I'm making this one. I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons why these EASYTEST 7-way test strips earned a permanent spot in my swim spa routine, and I'm saving the best one for last. Number 3, there's 7 parameters, 1 strip, 30 seconds. These strips test bromine, total alkalinity, pH, free chlorine, total hardness, cyanuric acid, and total chlorine in a single dip. For a swim spa owner who needs a complete water chemistry picture without running multiple tests or buying multiple products, that all-in-one coverage is the whole point of a 7-way strip. Dip, wait 30 seconds, compare to the color chart, and complete picture every single time. Number 2, the math. It's simple. 150 strips in this pack. You test your swim spa 3 times a week, which is a solid maintenance routine for a smaller body of water. That's 50 weeks of testing from one purchase. And number 1, you don't have to be a chemist to maintain your spa. When a reading is off, you adjust that specific chemical and retest in a few hours. You don't have to fix everything at once, and you don't have to be a chemist to stay on top of it. You just have to test consistently and respond to what the strip tells you. Bottom line, these strips make my life easier and give me more time to enjoy with my family and my swim spa. If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for other great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.